Of Allah who's the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum friend, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Friends, today we are going to unboxing Infinix Smart 2 HD. Friends, this is a series of 2019 and the price is too less, only 12,500. I purchased it, and 1 year warranty plus. So here are the three colors of this blue. I purchased in the blue color and also gray and one other color, and the black color is also. Friends, today we will unbox this. Look here, 6.0 HD display, Infinity, 3500 megawatt battery, large, face and fingerprint lock, 16 GB plus 1 GB RAM and ROM. And you can see the more information about this. Infinix, you can see here. So today we will on here you can see Infinix detail, face lock, also the 8 MP low light selfie. Take out this. This set. It's a very warranty card. Wow, I got the pouch by this, and we will open this. Here is a dual SIM, memory card plus, and the battery you can see. Sensor is also here, by which you can do the fingerprint. I will do the pouch. This is a nice pouch without the costing of anyone. We are going to open this. Infinix, and I got the handfree. Very good handfree, Infinix handfree, and the detail of the cell phone you can see here. I like this handfree, and the charger is also good. USB cable. And the for screen is also the cover. I will cover this on the screen. You can see I can put it on the screen. Friends, still you don't like and subscribe my channel, kindly like and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching video.